Hey crafty peeps, I have a design team package haul that is like really amazing and kind of different. I'm so excited. It is from ASC Supplies on Etsy. So I have this out so I can show you, or I can tell you the prices. All right, first let me show you this. Spring Fever sale, 30 to 50% off select items throughout the store, April 1st through 30th. Cannot be combined with any other discounts. Okay. Also, sign up for the newsletter, get a 10% off code each month, and join their VIP group on Facebook. All links will be in the description box down below. All right. Without further ado, ta-da! I am collecting the Whimsy Fairy and Butterfly stamps. If you remember, I did get these in a haul package before. Not these exact ones, but similar. And I'm going to color these in a tutorial. I swear, I really, really am. I love them. I really love this one. So, I have some card bases ready to go. All right. Now, I don't know if you're ready for this. Look at this. Stamperia came out with molds. Ah! All right. Look at all the birdhouses. And then the flowers, a snail, a bird, a butterfly, a ladybug, leaves, more butterflies, another bird, oh, look at the watering cans. Oh my God. I am beyond tickled to death. This is so super cool. And I love, oh, look what they did. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I have so much glass out in the Vintage Stuff and Things workshop that I am going to like do molds of this stuff and like put them on the glass and then, yeah, there you go. All right. But if that didn't excite you, what about this? It's always tea time. Look at these. Oh my God. I am, can you tell? Can you tell that I'm stoked? Look at this big teapot, a big teacup. Oh my gosh. I am excited. So, let me tell you how much those are. $7.75, guys. Yeah. Only $7.75. They also carry this. I can't read what that says. Let me see if it's over here. Stamperia ceramic powder, extra light ceramic powder. And this is what you mix up to do in your molds. And she carries this. This one was $4.75. So we're going to be doing this together also. Let's see. Suitable for artistic molds, models and molds, water powder ratio, hardening time 20 to 40 minutes. So yeah, looking forward to doing a tutorial on that. Oh my gosh, guys, tell me if you're excited about that. All right. I also ordered, look at this. I am going to find something beautiful to use that on. And this. And those. And that. And I'm probably going to use it on glass or ceramic. So pretty. Ah! And then I had one like this I had gotten before. Let me tell you how much the big, this one was $3.85. This is really large. It's like 12 by 18. This one, sorry, it's hard to flip the page with my broken hand. This one's $2.05. And let me show you what I did with this, because I didn't do it as a Design Tea project. I totally forgot I got it at, where is it? Oh, it's up there. So I put that on an old hat box. Doesn't it look pretty? Okay, so just showing you that real quick. Sorry, let's come back down to reality here. And then I also got this one, $2.35. And this is definitely going to go on glass. And I am stoked to use that as well. And then last but not least, and this is not something I'm probably going to use. Well, yeah, I will use this. Okay, I got the Tim Holtz brushes, and these were, let me tell you, the stamps, the little fairy stamps, $8.45. These were $13.95. And I'm excited to use these. I'm going to use them for the decoupaging and the painting of the glass before I use that for decoupage. So, these are really cool. I love the handles. So these are going to go out in the vintage stuff and things building. So, super excited. I hope you liked it. It's really kind of a different haul for me. I didn't get any paper. Well, this is paper, but you know what I mean. All right, let me know what you think. Check out the links in the description box down below. You guys gotta get yourself the molds. All right, talk to you later. Bye.